Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Guys, update on Faraday Future, ticker FFIE. I want to show you here in this video what I expect personally from the next week or for the next week for Faraday Future. I show you here the updated chart. As you know guys, this is not financial advice. I give you here a recap of my latest uploads. Guys, I already mentioned here at the 22nd of August that I expect, this is the thumbnail here in a bigger preview guys, that I expect here a plus 300% squeeze. I really never try to create here some clickbait thumbnails. Usually what you see here in my thumbnails, it's what you can expect here, and you can already see that at the 22nd of August I predicted here a plus 300% squeeze based on the technicals here, of course, before Faraday Future squeezed guys. So now we have our squeeze and we have 326%. In the 4 hours chart it was a little bit higher than that. I can show you that here really quick. And it is of course not a coincidence and was very, very predictable. And you can see in total more or less 340%. I got a lot of messages here from my member. They caught the squeeze also, and we had a lot of other squeezes here in the market in the past week guys. Of course I try to predict now short squeezes for this week as well. This is what I'm doing. As you know, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. This is the main purpose I have here. That's why I started this channel, but I try to do that by predicting here short squeezes or show short squeeze stocks, because I love the volatility guys. High risk, high reward. You can make a lot of money here. Same for Faraday Future. 300% here in just a couple of days is very, very good. Of course, I give you here the updated price levels guys. If you like my video, if you like this content guys, please hit the like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. That helps also that other people find my content and can have a benefit here of the educational content which I provide almost every day guys. So I uploaded, by the way, a brand new hot stock video. So if you want to see the next squeeze tickers before we dive in here in the price action of Faraday Future, I want to show you that really quick. I upload every Sunday here my so-called hot stocks videos guys. The brand new video with the squeeze predictions for this week is out now. So this video here contains tickers with high squeeze potential stocks guys. Of course I cannot see the future, but you can see that a lot of things are predictable, and I predicted last week 3 short squeeze or even more. I honestly didn't count anymore. Faraday Future was 1 and I had 3 others here. This swing trade alert which I posted on Patreon squeezed 660% guys, even higher than Faraday Future. Then here one of my hot stocks from last week also squeezed 205%, and again one of my swing trades on Patreon here squeezed 365%. So we have a lot of bullish momentum in the market. We have to be careful here, don't FOMO in. That's why I give you here the price levels. There is a reason why we got rejected here at $11.20 for Faraday Future. I show you that here in the chart guys. But if you want to see here the short squeeze stocks, the new hot stocks and the other short squeeze content, you can join in here my memberships guys. I'm still receiving a lot of emails. Where is the difference here? I think it is quite well described here in the screenshot. The YouTube Elite Circle membership has only access here to the member videos and the hot stock videos here on Patreon. The much more popular membership is this here on Patreon, where I get much more members here. This is more popular because you have in addition here the trading alerts, which I showed you right here. A trading alert is a screenshot where I show buy-in price levels, stop loss price levels, and so on. It looks like that. So very easy to read. It doesn't matter if you are experienced or a beginner in trading guys. Yeah, this is very simple to read, and this is here one example where we had a 660% squeeze just last week. And as I said, I post here also a few tickers every week, and this is only available on Patreon guys. Yeah, we are fast growing here guys. There will be a time when I have to limit my memberships. Also Patreon announced a price increase of 30%. This is not what I'm doing. Patreon will increase the prices by 30% starting November. Everybody who joined in the membership before November does not have to pay the 30% here for the Patreon full package, the plus 30% guys. The actual price, that is what Patreon promised, will stay the same when you join in before November guys. The links to the memberships are here in the video description. So guys, the purpose, the reason why I also expected here a 300+% squeeze for Faraday Future, as shown here in the thumbnail guys. Look at this creepy samurai trader here guys. Some of my members call me the short squeeze samurai. It's very funny. And the reason was guys, this open gap. Yeah, we closed here all the open gaps for Faraday Future when we disable the drawings for a second, guys, then you can see we had here 3 gap downs overnight. So one gap down was here. Here we had the candles didn't connect with each other. You can see that here when we zoom in. Here is a gap in the chart, guys. That was the first gap where we gapped down. We had the second gap here, also slightly gap, and here the third gap. And when you see something like that happen in trading, guys, that is if it's not caused by delusion, this is usually a sign that the market makers try now the last attempt before they cover some fail to deliver or even shorts, guys. In that case, I expect that Faraday Future or the market makers behind that covered some positions. That's why this is not a short squeeze, guys. This is just a normal algo squeeze with the purpose of closing these gaps. And that was also the reason, because the latest open gap here, or the youngest open gap, was waiting here at $11.20. You can see as soon as we hit that gap, we went a little bit higher in the pre-market. We can check that as well. Yeah, but you can see we started here at $11.40, guys. That was the highest point, and immediately as soon as the gap has been closed here, this daily gap, we saw a massive sell-off reaction here for Faraday Future. I also mentioned in my previous videos that $7.61, guys, is a make it or break it price level. The blue line here, I showed you that in my previous videos, that the market makers have to bring the price below that blue line here, guys, because you can see everything over this blue line, everything over $7.61 can cause another pump for Faraday Future, and that was the purpose, to bring the price below that in the aftermarket and during the normal trading hours, guys. However, when we see now what Faraday Future is doing, I will now disable the drawings, guys. That can be very confusing. As I said, yeah, when you join in here, guys, I have a lot of tutorials and stuff available here where you learn trading. You can see that usually we get rejected here by this purple EMA line we know here in the 4 hours chart, and this is where the market makers step in. The good thing is, guys, the good news is that on Friday we still closed. Even we had this massive sell-off reaction here, or dump reaction here. This is everything caused by short sellers, guys. This is not made by human here or by algos. This is everything made by algos. We had here minus 41.5%, but we're still trading above the EMA line, and that's why, as long, guys, as we're holding here $6.90 in that range, this is of course a moving average, it's not a stable line, but everything here between $5.90 and $6.90, guys, would still be good, would still be in favor for a squeeze that we can continue. The next resistance is waiting here at $12.75, but in my opinion, when I enable the drawings, guys, I said that in my previous videos, and I'm still stick to that, guys. Yeah, it is very possible that we come back here one more time and retouch the trend channel top line here, or the golden pockets, or everything here between $15 and $17.20, guys. $17.20 is possible here, and this is not a short squeeze, this is a normal algo pump. What we don't want, guys, what we don't want to come lower than $5.23. This is also a very, very important price range where Faraday Future had some massive reactions. So when the price is trading below that here, then you can see we could see a massive sell-off reaction. I will do a quick Fibonacci retracement for you, because we have now here a 40% pullback. Even it still is in a very bullish uptrend. I want to do that here in the micro view to see where are the potential supports waiting, guys. And the support for this Fibonacci retracement would be $4.47. To be honest, guys, I don't want to see the price coming lower than $5.23. To be very honest with you, that would still be in normal correction, but based on the technicals, it is possible that we come down here to $4.48. This is now here based on the 4 hours chart, but it can of course happen during the normal trading hours. But honestly, I want to see the price holding over $5.23, that we maybe have the next attempt here to go back to the $15 range or $17 range. And then, guys, when we go over $18, or I would say $19, even better, if we go over $19, guys, that could finally cause a short squeeze for Faraday Future. The float should be here 104 million shares. Actually, I don't know if they plan any more dilution or not, but based on that, if they don't dilute anymore, and you can see we had here 2 days of massive volume, guys. I show you that also here in the volume chart. Here you can see that in the corner from TradingView. We had here 69 million volume and 70 million volume. So Also here with this volume, guys, a lot of fail to delivers are created, and we will see here if this pump is over, we will see here a post squeeze and can, I think, at least make here another 100%, but I will update you on that if this price action will not continue to run on Monday. The market is now in a very interesting situation. Also the S&P 500 closed one of the open gaps, the only open gap which we had, and I think next week it will be the decision if we see the bull market continue to run or if the sell-off is in preparation for the next week and for September, which is usually a very bearish month. So guys, I will zoom out here for a second, and you can pause the video if you want to copy the price levels here in the chart. As I said, the golden pocket is waiting here between $16.64 and $70.23, guys. Here $18 and $19 would be the, let's call it, last point of resistance before I expect a massive squeeze for Faraday Future. It doesn't have to, as you know, everything is here based on algos, and the main trend line is here $7.61, guys. This is, or yeah, 61. This is where Faraday Future should try to keep over that price range here if we want to see a continuation of the squeeze, guys. As you know, everything what I show here is based on TradingView. If you want to learn trading, guys, I can just recommend TradingView. I use this program for all my videos and for all my trades, and you can see how easy you can predict your own short squeezes if you know how to use it. So there is no way around to invest in yourself, guys, and get the right trading tool. That's why I recommend this, guys, and I can give you here a discount link available in the video description. Many people already use that link here. I see the registrations here in TradingView in my cockpit, guys, and you can use here a $15 discount link if you click this link and register up, guys. And I always recommend the premium tier. This is very good for beginners and advanced traders, guys. So guys, that's it. Don't forget here to check out my latest hot stocks available right now with the squeeze predictions for this week. I hope we can, of course, continue here to see some massive squeezes. The last 2 weeks have just been crazy, guys. So as I said, your 600% squeezes and higher. And of course, for everybody who is still here in Faraday Future, I wish you nothing else than here an absolute freaking MOASS, and that this thing goes to the moon, guys. This is what I want for everyone. Guys, thank you so much. Hit the like and subscribe button here to help to push this here via the algo and push my videos here out to more people, that they also can participate here from learning. Thank you so much. I wish you a great day, great success, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.